When a commercial boiler or chiller breaks down or needs upgrading, many businesses face the same question: should we buy or hire? At Ideal Heat Solutions, we believe hiring is often the smarter, more flexible and financially efficient option, especially for sectors where reliability, operational continuity and compliance matter the most. Number one, financial efficiency. Hiring avoids the large upfront cost of purchasing new plant equipment. It frees up capital for other critical investments or day-to-day operational needs. Hire fees are also 100% allowable against corporation tax, providing an additional financial benefit for your business. With a hire agreement, you'll benefit from a consistent, predictable payment model. Whether on a weekly or monthly basis, these fixed costs simplify budgeting. Unlike ownership, hiring eliminates surprise repair bills, servicing charges, or the long-term depreciation that can affect capital assets. Number two, operational flexibility. When heating or cooling failure occurs, time is of the essence. Hiring from Ideal Heat Solutions means your commercial boiler or chiller can be delivered and installed without delay. This ensures your site remains operational and compliant, essential in industries such as healthcare, logistics, facilities management and education. Hire solutions are ideal for seasonal demand changes or temporary projects, whether it's extra chillers during the summer for manufacturing or temporary boilers for winter heating in hospitals, care homes or schools. Hiring offers a flexible and cost-effective answer. It's also perfectly suited for events, construction sites and contingency planning. Maintenance and support. All maintenance and servicing is included in the hire agreement with Ideal Heat Solutions. If a fault occurs, our engineers provide fast technical support and, where needed, a replacement unit to maintain continuity. Our boiler and chiller units come equipped with remote BMS systems, allowing remote monitoring of operational performance and remote diagnostics. Our smart monitoring systems allow us to identify and often resolve issues before they cause disruption. Trend BMS and Train Connect enable our engineers to access system data remotely, perform resets and make real-time adjustments. This level of support ensures that our clients always have full visibility and peace of mind. There's no need to manage inspections, certifications or long-term wear and tear. We handle every aspect of asset management for you, from delivery and installation to monitoring, maintenance and fuel telemetry. This reduces your administrative burden and ensures compliance throughout the hire period. Number four, scalability and up-to-date technology. Hiring gives you the flexibility to adjust your system as your needs evolve. Whether you're expanding your site, scaling operations up or down, or working on a phased project, our commercial boiler and chiller hire services offer the freedom to scale without long-term commitment or financial risk. A rental fleet is made up of modern, energy-efficient equipment built to the latest industry standards. You'll benefit from reliable performance, better efficiency and lower emissions. Hiring ensures your equipment remains up to date, so there's no need to worry about owning outdated systems that no longer meet your site requirements. And finally, number five, environmental and compliance benefits. Ideal Heat Solutions ensures all hire equipment complies with the latest emissions and energy efficiency standards. This is especially valuable for customers pursuing decarbonisation goals or looking to strengthen their ESG, environmental, social and governance performance. At the end of a product's lifestyle, owned equipment must be sold, scrapped or decommissioned. Hiring avoids this entirety. Once your hire term ends, we remove the system and take care of all ongoing responsibility, so there's no disposal costs and no hassle. So why choose Ideal Heat Solutions? With over 15 years of experience, Ideal Heat Solutions is a leading UK provider of commercial boiler and chiller hire for critical applications. From hospitals and schools to warehouses and events, our full service approach ensures your heating and cooling needs are met with professionalism, efficiency and care. Contact us or visit our website to see how we can help you with your HVAC rental requirements.